Welcome. My name is Thomas. I'm here to share in this video how I use Canva.com to use for my thumbnails and all my graphics inside my social media accounts or any graphics I plan on using wherever because I'm not able to outsource them like I used to. So I had to learn how to use Canva or some type of graphic arts simple design software that was created for non-professional graphic designers, which is what Canva's designed for. It's not like using Photoshop, which is more over the top type software that you really want to be the person that's a graphic designer who took courses and stuff on how to use Photoshop. So this here, Canva.com, is simply for non-technical professional graphic designers who want to do their own graphics. And so we're going to go to thumbnail for YouTube. It's going to take us to the next page. So while we're waiting for that to load, these are the different templates we can use and choose from. And so I'm going to be selling professional software this season for the upcoming tax season. So I'm going to do another graphic on that. What I might just do is pick something. Let's see. I'm just going to choose this for now and upgrade this here. Take that out. Take all the stuff I don't plan on using and removing it. How to scale up your business. That, all these pieces are removable. Rearranging them. So right here, I'm going to use change the color. So that's the name of the software, Simple Tax Pro. Here, again, professional tax software. Change color again. So, so that's a simple way of putting together this banner for the software. How to scale up your business. This software here is designed to prepare 1040 as well as business returns, so it's already scalable as you grow your business from doing individual 1040s to partnerships and S corps and all other different types of returns. This software is already compatible for those, and so that's why you want to start out with this software because it's simple to use, in my opinion. And I'm going to put a little upload section. I'm going to upload something. Something put my something. Yeah. And so we hit share, find downloads, download. We wait for it to download. Over here, open, save it to pictures. Name it something so I know what it is. Simple So I can find it right quick. And so that's a simple way that I create my YouTube thumbnails, and that's my simple way I create all my graphics, no matter what social media I'm putting it on. I try to make it simple as possible. I pick a template, or I'll start from scratch and upload something and add some text to it and upload it, add it to where I'm gonna put it, and call it a day. If you can make it simple as you want it to be or complicated as you want it to be, it's up to you on how you do that. And so based on your experience and your skill level and your desire to learn how to do your own graphics using Canva, it's going to be the key to that. So I would say to you, if you don't have the resources / money to outsource doing your own graphics when it comes to your social media channels, then come over to Canva. See if Canva got some uh, video tutorials that helps you learn how to use the software. And if they do, watch as many as you can, take notes on them, and learn how to use the software. And the simplest way to learn how to use it is just simply by using it. You know what I'm saying? You can't break it. You can't break the software. You can always undo something that you didn't like how it turned out. So you just want to come in here and play with it, get familiar with it, get comfortable with it, and just start making it a part of what you do when it comes to creating your own graphic designs, regardless of what it is. And I'll see you in my next video.